What's up, bass heads? Just a little bit of update video here. It's been raining all day. It's all wet and nasty out there. And I can't really work on the wall when it's raining because I don't have room to pull my car in here and still work on it. And I don't want to be out working in the rain. So I took this opportunity and did a little bit of work on like the trunk, the amp rack, whatever you want to call it. I got 2x4 framing all put down. Down there in the wheel well area is where I'm going to be putting extra batteries. And this is my cutout for the floor. These lines here, I'm actually going to cut these, so it's going to be 3 separate pieces. And the center one, you'll be able to like lift out, you know, a lot easier than if it was like one whole piece. So just gonna be doing a little bit more work on this, and talk to you guys in a little bit.
Bass forever.
There it is. Okay guys, so I didn't do any more work on it last night, but gonna do a little bit more work on it today. This is how the amps are gonna be. I got all the holes drilled, plotted out and drilled, and I got the 2 side pieces there carpeted. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to carpet this piece, make a template for the back piece, cut that out, carpet that, and then secure it all down, and I'll show you guys when it's done. Alright, so here it is guys, just got it all completed, got all the pieces carpeted, back pieces up, amps are in, no wires ran yet, but I'll be doing all that later. So yeah, just gonna wrap this video up guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, all that good stuff. Alright, peace out.